Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And we are in the economic calendar, and today is Friday and FPA is about to come out, so there will be volatility during the US session. So my dear friends, if you have any open position on USD pair, any USD pair, you must be very careful, and especially during the event. And if you're a new trader, a beginner, then you must be very careful during the event, and please try to exit from all your open USD pairs positions, okay, before the event, to avoid the craziness in the market if you're new. But if you have experience regarding news trading and all, then that's a different chapter. All the best. Okay, now let's try to understand what is going on with the chart of GBP USD. Okay. Yesterday when I made the video, I clearly told you that GBP USD was not in the mood of going down. Honestly speaking, I was also not hoping that GBP USD would touch this level. Okay, but yes, we could see that there was a good recovery, but still we cannot deny the fact that sellers are still under the dominance, because though there was a recovery on GBP USD, but still it could not cross the previous high here. And if we observe this portion of the chart carefully, then we can see that it resembles to a descending triangle pattern. In descending triangle pattern, we have a support at the bottom, and whenever market tries to go up, it fails to cross the previous high. And with the increase in selling pressure, at one point we see market breaking the support and going down. But overall, I still think that buyers present on GBP USD chart are still trying their best. What that I already discussed yesterday. So if you have taken a sell position somewhere around here, then be on the trade. And if you are looking for fresh entry, fresh buy position, or any open position in the market, then I'll suggest you that you should wait for some time right now, because see, right now market is coming down from the resistance. Listen to me carefully. Market is coming down from the resistance, and this is a support zone for the market. So right now market is in a very narrow space, very tight space, where we have a resistance at the top and a support at the bottom. It's in a very tight space right now. Okay, as a result, this is a very critical level, and I think that you should avoid trading on GBP USD right now, or if you should avoid taking any fresh position on the market right now, because we do not have any clarity about the market. Let's say if market would have been somewhere around here, then I would have suggested you to take a sell position. But you can see that this is a resistance, and wait, this is a resistance and this is a support. So it's a very tight spot here, very small spot. So you should avoid the market or GBP USD right now. See, you may think that Avilash, most of the time you say that you should wait, you should avoid, but my dear friend, as a trader, you must know, you must understand when not to trade. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right, and as I always say, be a trader, man, not a gambler. Okay, if you start gambling with your hard-earned money, obviously you'll have to pay the price to the market. Okay, so please do not make the mistake. So try to understand why I'm saying that you should avoid taking position in the market right now, because when NFP will be out, if there is a sharp fall, if there is a drop on DXY, because as we all know that DXY is extremely bullish for the last couple of days. In case after the event, if we see, listen to me carefully, if we see that DXY is falling because of the news, then obviously GBP USD will break the resistance line and it will start going up from here. And in case the news is good enough, and if we see DXY flying again, because as we have already discussed in our previous videos, and we have seen that there is no immediate resistance for DXY. If DXY starts going up again after the news, then obviously GBP USD will be under pressure again, and you will see GBP USD going down. So this is the main reason I have been requesting you. Okay, I'm requesting you right now that stop taking any position on the market right now. because this is not an ideal position. Okay, because market may either bounce from the support, or market may the buyers in the market may surrender, and market may break the support तोड़ के नीचे भी जा सकते, market may break the support and go down as well. So wait for the market to give you a proper direction, and because after all it's your money and it's your responsibility to protect it as well. So wait for the market to give you a proper direction, wait for the news to come out and trade accordingly, and whatever you do, follow proper risk management, strict risk management, and take position according to the capital, okay, not according to the hunger and greed. Okay. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.